Yeah, found this bloody thing. Found it on the side of the... Ah, fuck! Hey, you little bastard. Sorry, excuse the language. Yeah, no. Broken wing, man. Bloody in that lagoon over there. Or not there, but it was on the trek. Ah, fuck! Ooh, you little bastard. It's a vicious thing, bro. Yeah, this is it. She's a pretty big money. Ah, fuck yeah. She's a pretty big money and a vicious one too. Say hello, everybody. So I'll give it to the SPCA. I won't Ah, fuck you. Fuck. Fuck off, you little cunt. You fuck off. Stop it. Stop it, you little fucking vicious. It's a vicious bloody shit too. So yeah, it's got a broken wing, guys, so I'm going to release it. Release the bloody thing. Oh no, sorry, ring the SPCA. So we'll call him Ryko number 2. Nero Ryko. Nero Ryko. We'll save your ass. We'll save your ass. Ne? We'll save your ass. So you can be free. So that's all I got to say. Ouch. Ouch. Fuck you.